Hi there, it's me again. Happy December 2nd. This is pre-recorded, but I'm still sick. I wanted to show you guys how I turned 6 bags into 2 bags that I'm taking when I am going to a crop. So the first thing I want to show you is the tools organizer. I'm gonna hope this works. So in here, I hope you can see it. Let me turn this light off. That's extremely bright. That didn't help. Let's get rid of that. There we go. That's a little better. Okay, so in here, I have all the tools I need. So say you're working on a project, a certain project, and you know which punches you're gonna want. So I'm gonna work on Christmas and winter. So I got some punches in here that I know that I will use a lot of. And I got some border punches in here that I know I'll use, like the stockings and the candy canes and the ornaments and the trees and all that kind of stuff. That's all back here. In the front, I have, I'll just unload it here so you can see. I have my border maker piece, my ruler. I have my pens, all my pens. If I can remember how they were in here. There we go. This border, the other piece of the border maker, and my circle maker. Did I not just have all this in here, guys? Pretty sure I did. Oh wait, I had the pens up here. That's what I had. Okay, my circle maker. Over here I have my sticker sheet for my repositionable trimmer, or tape runner, pop dots, my tape runners, some sticky notes for my border maker, you know those are a must, and some makeup sponges for my stencils, my, what are those things called? Stamps. So that's all in here, ready to go, and we just zip that shut. It's nice and light, probably less than 10 pounds. It's got 2 nice handles on the sides, and it's got a thing for your handle here, and then a thing for your name tag if you want. But then also, I have my new rolling tote. Look how easily it rolls. Let me see if I can change the angle so you can see me and see the tote. Okay, so what I have in here is all kinds of goodies. And the theory is you would work right out of your bag. So your bag would be sitting next to you at the retreat or crop, and you're just working right out of it and putting stuff right back in. Mind you, this bag was made by the advisors. They took our tips and advice. We wanted a bag that was not too big, not too small, not too heavy, rolled easily, and had lots of storage options. So there's a bag up here up front, in the very front. But I just have tissue and, you know, all the things you need. My little bag of goodies, mints and lotion and nail clippers and dental floss, that kind of thing. And tissues and wet wipes for my stamps. And then in this zipper pouch, there's a place for pens. In here I have my photo labeling pencil, my multi-purpose tool, my glue pen, and my ink pen, because I'm always losing that. So now those are all there, real handy for me to grab. And then I have my other tearing tools and rulers in there as well. And you could put, that's a great place for your pictures. On the side here are the shapes I don't use as much for my custom cutting system, like the ovals and the other fun shapes. And it's really neat that I can just spin that around and check those out in this net pockets, and then spin it right back around so I can work out of it. Up here in the top, I have my circles that I use frequently and my blades. So that all works good. And this is clear so you can see through it and it works, it's nice. And here is my stash and store. I can't remember what it's called. But it has all my collections in it that I'm currently working with. So like I have my snowbound since I'm going to be doing Christmas and winter. I have all my snowbound in here together. And that just zips right up and you can put cardstock or whatever you need in here. And it fits right neatly in the front of it. Let's get it shut back up here. And then in the next little area, this has 2 dividers. You can put them wherever you want. I have my 12-inch trimmer, so this bag is big enough to hold our 12-inch trimmer. One tip is to put a binder clip on your blade housing so that it doesn't move around while you're traveling. It's just in there perfect. I also have my stamps in here, my little stamp set. I have my big shapes. I have my decorative trimmer, which the blade just fell off. And I have my personal trimmer. So there's tip Tuesday. Make sure you put a housing or a clip on your blade so you don't lose it. And then in my trimmer, our trimmers are so nice, we have the drawer. So I have my scissors, my X-Acto knife, my corner rounder, an eraser, my clips for my recipe templates, all kinds of handy stuff in there. My little photo fingerprint remover, all that goes right in there. I tell you that and then I can't get it back in. And that all fits right in there. And then back here you can put your album, you can put your pages. I have my pages, my mat, my page protectors, all my goodies in there. And then what's handy is if you have a lunch bag or a cup caddy or one of our seat cushions. Let me just get this out to demonstrate. This handy little strap not only holds your lid open while you're working out of it, but it also will hold a lunch tote, our seat cushion. It would hold the cup caddy, and it's right clipped on the front so you don't lose it. And then you zip this shut, put your handle up, put this guy on here, and away you go to the crop. See you there. Hope to see you there this weekend.